LG G6 Smart G6 smartphone was launched in February 2017. The phone comes with a 5.70-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 2880 pixels at a PPI of 564 pixels per inch. Qualcomm Snapdragon 821. It comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 2000 GB via microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the LG G6 packs a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The LG G6 runs Android 7.0 and is powered by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 148.90 by 71.90 by 7.90 high-tech width thickness and weigh 163.00 grams. The LG G6 is a single SIM (GSM) smartphone that accepts a nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and gyroscope.